Yung double sharing program ni Ken in Mexico, dati nila yung programa katapang previous kong ah, term. So, binalik kayo mo para mag-develop new leaders. And kami maging ano ke. So, a good leaders dapat mag-train yung bayong leaders para maging efficient kasi mabrami legislation. So, everybody has an opportunity to preside. Dembong sanggunian, mapa-ABC president ka, mapa-SK president ka, and all elected councilors. Antay, dudurot siya. Palagi na ako mga ating supervision. We see to it na everything is in order. Mag-concard na ako mga karetang-karelang tinakela ordinance or resolution. Independence kayong sanggunian, imburi na mong sabyan, ating kaming freedom na mag-legislate. Of course, we respect the executive. Palagi ming priority ng nanoing pleasure ng executive kasi hanin-han yan eh. Yung pamanungkulan kailangan ating teamworking executive and legislative. But in our legislation, palagi na kami mangmumuna at ketang makausto, makakapakipakinabang ka rin kaya katamang memali. Ito naman yung goal ni kayong legislation. Siyempre for our new generations at kaya tamo naman taga-Mexico o buong Pilipinas. Naka-importante yung history. Kaya susunod mo yung program pa niyan, then naman then senior citizen or then anak ang mag-aral, ilang ating kaming sanggunian counterpart niya. Kaya ba't naning gather sila.